What's up, y'all? So today we're going to be making this delicious soup. It's a copycat version of Olive Garden's pasta e fagioli. Hopefully I said it right. It's packed with flavor. It's got 2 types of beans, ground meat, tomatoes, pasta, all the flavors, celery, onion, carrots, you name it. Enough talking. Let's get started.
First, we're going to start by heating a little oil in a large pot, and then we'll add in our vegan grounds, and we want to go ahead and crumble them until they're brown. Usually people will leave this in the soup as they cook it, but when you're working with vegan ground meat, I suggest cooking it beforehand and removing it from the pot and then adding it in later. Now we'll go ahead and add in our vegan butter. Once that's melted, we'll add in our onion, our carrots, our celery, and some garlic. Then we want to cook this down for roughly about 5 to 10 minutes until the onion is translucent. Now we'll add in our tomato sauce, our crushed tomatoes, some Italian seasonings, some salt, some garlic pepper, and then our sugar. And now it's time for our broth. We're using between 4 to 6 cups of broth depending on how much liquid you like in your soup. We're going to go ahead and bring it to a boil and then turn it down and let it simmer for 20 minutes. And now it's time for our cannellini beans, our kidney beans, our cooked pasta, and then we'll add in some freshly chopped parsley. Now give it a good stir, and this is when you can decide if you wanted to add any more of your vegan broth. We'll let that cook down for about 5 more minutes, and just before we serve it, we'll go ahead and return the vegan ground beef, give it a good mix, and now it's ready to serve up and enjoy.
And there we have our pasta e fagioli. Okay, my favorite part, the taste test. So good. It's pretty similar to like a minestrone soup, but the pasta e fagioli is basically a bean soup with pasta. So this is absolutely delicious. It'll definitely be in my rounds of soups to make. It has a lot of different ingredients, but it comes together very easy, very quickly, and it's hearty, it's delicious, perfect to keep you warm on those cool nights. I'm gonna go ahead and leave the full recipe in the description below. And if you like this recipe, make sure you subscribe for more fun stuff coming soon. Thanks for watching. See ya. Get to cooking.